Hi loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are just seeing my face for the first time, my name is Miji and this is Life of Miji. And I'm so glad you guys stumbled on this corner of my life. So today I'm going to be telling you guys about myself. I'll be answering some questions I picked out of myself to introduce myself properly. Though I've done an introduction video before, but I want to reintroduce myself to my new subscribers so that you can know what this channel is all about and what you get from viewing my channel. So on this channel, I'll be posting lifestyle content, skincare content, like life generally, honest reviews about products, vlogs about my life in my 30s, faith, and just navigating life in general. If that sounds like your vibe, I will appreciate you to join me while hitting that subscribe button. No, so my name is Miji, and my full name is Damila Rachel Olamiji. So I use Miji for short. So Olamiji is a Yoruba name. Miji, that's my wealth has woken up. So I use Miji for short, and I decided to go for life with Miji because it's basically about my life, everything going on with my life. That's what this channel is going to be all about. That's why I chose Life of Miji. Did I say life with? Sorry, Life of Miji. The difference between my 20s and my 30s because I've gotten to have more knowledge about stuff that I didn't have in my 20s. Yes, I made a lot of mistakes in my 20s that I know better now, and I know I can't make those mistakes. So I believe people in their 20s, they feel they are still growing up, and this is the time they can make mistakes, recover from their mistakes, and move on. So, and people in their 30s, they are now more ascertain about things that they want. They know what they want. They know what they want to achieve. That's what I believe, and that's me. So that's the difference between my 20s and my 30s. So that's gotten much more better. It's far more better because in my 20s, my faith was not there. But now I've come to work with God more than I did. I've gotten to have more understanding about God and faith more than I did in the past. So yeah, and my relationship with God has gotten better. I pray more, keep videos more. I try to keep His commandments too. So that's gotten far more better. And whenever I pray to Him like my Father. I think people should start incorporating that. You pray to Him like you're talking to your friend, your father, your mother. Yes, so one thing I had to unlearn in this life is that God's time is different from man's time. God's timeline is different from human beings' timeline. Some people feel like yeah, it's very important to know that God does not work with your timeline or anybody else. If He's going to do something now, He's going to do it now. If He wants you to be patient and you get the result in 4 to 5 years, you have to be patient because God knows what is best for us. He knows when something good will come our way and there'll be no hindrance or problem. So that's why people say God's time is the best. Yes, so I've come to learn that God's timeline is totally different from ours. You can sit down and plan. Yes, it's good to plan, but make sure God is involved so that you are not planning without God in it. Yes, so you can know and get confirmation of what you want Him, of what He wants you to do. Is it to be patient? Is it that the result is coming now? Is it that there are some steps you have to take? Yes, so God's timeline is very different and God time is the best. When you're in the season of waiting or when you're never certain if the result of what you've planned for, what you've worked for, what you've prayed for, you are not certain if it's going to come, or you are in the season of waiting, you just have to make sure you are waiting in God, not just waiting. Some people have patience, but their patience will not pay off because it's not in God. That's the difference between being patient because you want to be patient and being patient when God asks you to wait. So yes, you need faith because it's not easy. It's not easy to be patient. It's not easy to wait, to be waiting on God. It's not easy to have on sense you're not certain about something and you have been asking from God. So you need faith and you also need to be praying. Yes, you need to be praying also. And I believe no one waits on God and does not get results. So yeah, you have to have faith and you have to pray and study the word of God while waiting. I work as an accountant in a private firm and I also do content creation and I'm also a graphic designer. So it's a mixture. I'm a 9 to 5 babe, and I went into content creation because personally I love content creation right from time. But I'm a shy person, and I'm always like, oh, I post. My life is boring. I don't go out, So that's why I've not been posting on this channel. Though I had a channel before, but the long story, I decided to focus on this now to grow organic subscribers, to grow genuine relationship with people that are watching my channel. So yeah. So my ultimate prayer and plan for YouTube community in 2026 is to make better relationship with you people, you guys, because you guys will be the one to watch my videos, encourage me. So I hope we'll be able to grow together, have a relationship, and you watch my videos, tell me what you want to see, engaged, and all. So thank you guys for sitting down with me today and catching up. It feels so good to finally be back on this channel and sharing my life with you. I'm so excited to start this new chapter of my life and also to share it with you guys as part of the family. Enjoy this. I want to start your skincare journey, your faith journey, your lifestyle journey. You need to hit that subscribe button. Please hit that subscribe button and join my community. Love you guys. Stay blessed and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.